Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage profit. Many businesses buy their goods from wholesalers and add on a certain amount to their cost price. In that way, they make a profit. Hence, we have the following. Selling price equals cost price plus profit, and profit equals selling price minus the cost price. To calculate the profit as a percentage of the cost price, we do the following. So the profit as a percentage, which I've called the percentage profit, equals the profit over the cost price, so that's a fraction, times 100 over 1. Because if you remember from earlier lessons, when you change a fraction to a percentage, you multiply it by 100 over 1. Let's have a look at some examples. Number 1. A store buys refrigerators for $2,000 and sells them for $2,800. What is the percentage profit? So the percentage profit will be the profit over the cost price times 100 over 1. Now the profit is $800 because all you do, you have the selling price minus the cost price. That gives you $800. That's what we said here. Over 2,000, because 2,000 was the cost price, and you have your 100 over 1. Now here's our working. 100 into 100 goes once. 100 into 2,000 goes 20 times. So we actually have 800 over 20, which is 40%. So the profit that was made was 40%. And that's as a percentage, of course, the percentage profit. Number 2, Bill has a clothing store and buys shorts from the wholesaler for $8 each. He then sells them for $20 each. What is his percentage profit? So the percentage profit equals the profit over the cost price by 100 over 1. So the profit will be 20 take away 8, which is $12, so it's 12 over the cost price, which is 8 times 100 over 1. That gives you the percentage profit. 4 into 8 goes twice. 4 into 100 goes 25 times. So we have 12 times 25 there, and here we have a 2, and there we have a 1. So it's really 12 over 2 times 25 over 1. Now we can do this in our head. I haven't shown the working, there's really no need. 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 12 goes 6. 6 times 25 is 150%. All that means is that the profit was more than double. If the profit was 100%, that means he'd be selling them for $16, doubled the amount, but it's 150%. So it's more than double the amount. Number 3, Jan bought pens to raise funds for her school. She paid $8 for each pen and sold them for $15 each. What is her percentage profit? So here's our equation. So the profit will be $7 because 15 take away 8 gives you 7. There's the cost price and there's the 100 over 1. 4 into 8 goes twice. 4 into 100 goes 25 times. So we have 7 times 25 over 2 times 1. There it is there. Now, a lot of these we can do in our head because we don't have to do more cancelling. 7 times 25 gives you 175. 175 divided by 2 is 87.5. So the profit is 87.5%. So this video has given us a basic lesson on percentage profit, where we've been shown how to work out the profit as a percentage of the cost price.